Now second question, d square y d square plus 9y is equal to cos 2x into cos x. The given can be taken as d square plus 9 into y equal to cos 3x into cos x. This is equation 1. Now the auxiliary equations can be taken as in place of d is equal to m, that is d square equal to m square plus 9 equal to 0, m square equal to minus 9, so m equal to plus or minus 3i. So this is the complementary function. It is a complex roots. So CF is equal to C1 cos 3x plus C2 sin 3x. This is equation 2. Now we want to find a particular integral 1 divided by d square plus 9 into cos 2x cos x. So we know that we can consider this much of the term. So cos 2x into cos x equal to 1 by 2. So cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula. So now we shall use like this. Cos a cos b is equal to 1 by 2 cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b formula. Therefore 1 by 2 cos of 2x plus x plus cos of 2x minus x is equal to 1 by 2 cos 3x plus cos x. Now this much term can be substituted in the above particular integral, this much here in this equations 1 by 2. So d square 1 by d square plus 9 into cos 3x plus cos x. So 1 by 2 this much can be separated, splitting into like this 1 by d square plus 9 cos 3x plus 1 by d square 9 by 1 by d square plus 9 into cos x. So here what we are going to do here, so suppose by putting d square is equal to minus 3 square, it becomes 0. Therefore it cannot be used like this. Only in the second term we can consider. So d square equal to 1 square minus 1 square to d square is equal to minus 1 square. So in the second term becomes 1 by 8 cos x. So now let us we consider this much is equal to, so we can consider 1 by d square plus 3 square cos 3x. Now let us, we know that in particularly complex numbers e raised to iax cos ax plus I sin ax. Okay, here cos ax is the real part of e raised to iax, sin ax equal to imaginary part of e raised to iax. So particular integral of 1 by d square plus 3 square cos 3x is equal to real part of f of d into x e raised to I 3x. So real part this much x e raised to I 3x by 2d. So 2, so 1 by 2, that is an integration, 1 by d becomes integration of e raised to I 3x is equal to x by 2 into e raised to I 3x divided by 3. So this much is equal to 3i. So real part of this much is equal to, now we can get a minus ix by 6 cos 3x sin 3x plus I sin 3x. Now we can take by the formula of this one 1 by d square plus a square equal to cos ax, x divided by 2a sin ax. If suppose 1 by d square plus a square sin ax, x by 2a into cos ax. This is the formula for taking this one. So in place, put in equation 3, so 1 by 2 x divided by 6 sin 3x plus 1 by 8 cos x. So by multiplying, so particular integral x divided by 12 sin 3x plus 1 divided by 16 cos x, equation 4. From 2 and 4, we get a complete solution of y is equal to CF plus PI. So this is CF, this is PI. So this is hence the complete result. Okay.